Hello. If you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without any books or classroom time, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
And I'm Blaine, and we're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you'll learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so you can start speaking Japanese right now.
In this episode, we'd like to introduce to you the word for movie, along with some everyday phrases. The word for movie is eiga. Eiga.
Now, here's a way to ask your friend or friends if they would like to go see a movie with you today. 今日は一緒に映画を見ませんか?今日は一緒に映画を見ませんか? Which means, today would you like to go see a movie together? If yes, your answer could be はい、そうしましょう。はい、そうしましょう。Which means, yes, let's do it. Or if it's no, I can't go, you can just say 行けない。行けない。
Here's a movie question. Dono eiga desu ka? Dono eiga desu ka? Which means, which movie?
If you couldn't go with your friends to the movies, when they do return, you could ask them how was the movie. You would say this by saying, 映画はどうでしたか?映画はどうでしたか? Which is, how was the movie?
All right then, this is going to wrap it up for this episode on learning how to say and use the word movie in Japanese.
Well, what did you think of today's episode? Please tell us in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you.
If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so that you don't miss a single episode.
And if you're a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and this channel.
Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
またね。
またね。